Later in verse 32 of chapter 19, Shukracharya preaches to his disciple Bali Maharaj to warn him, Aishate stanam aishvaryam shriyam tejo yasha shrutam dasyat yachidya shakraya maya manavako hari. This person falsely appearing as a brahmachari is actually the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari. Maya Manavako Hari. In other words, Hari has taken a Mayak form. At least that's what Shukracharya thinks. As a man, Manavako. That's what the demons or materialists, impersonalists think, that when God takes a form, it's Maya. Avajananti Mamuda Manushim Dharmashritam. They don't understand that Krishna's form is Satchidananda, Ishvara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha. His Vigraha Tanu Vapu Rupam is always transcendental, Satchidananda. Whether he's a child or a baby or a dwarf or a lion or a turtle or a fish or a pig, that form is transcendental. He's referring here, Shukracharya refers to God as Hari. Vishnu Chakravarti in his purport, he explains about Hari. The word Hari means one who takes away. And what does he take away? If one connects himself with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari, Lord Hari takes away all the devotee's miseries. And in the beginning, Lord Hari also superficially appears to take away all his possessions, reputation, education, and beauty, as is told later in Bhagavatam, in the 88th chapter, verse 8. Yasyaham anugrinami harishyeta dhanam shane, which is the Lord speaking to Maharaj Yudhisthira. O King, the first installment of my mercy toward the devotee is that I take away all his possessions, especially his material opulence, his money. So that's the verse. Prabhupada comments, if a sincere devotee wants Krishna above everything, but at the same time is attached to material possessions, which hinder his spiritual advancement, Krishna, by tactics, will take away all his possessions. If one delivers his mind to Krishna, one can naturally sacrifice everything to satisfy him.